now for a merchandising moment from the videopreneur. The forward-facing and rear-facing cameras on your new Ford are far much more than just parking. The properly equipped Ford PILOT360 is auto high beams on and off, blind spot monitor, lane keeping assist, pre-collision assist, and pedestrian detection. The PILOT360 Assist is adaptive cruise control with stop and go, evasive steering, lane centering, and voice-activated navigation. These are two examples of how Ford Motor Company is making your vehicle much more safe than your daddy's car.